A major update to News 19's long-running story about PFAS chemicals and lawsuit issues in Lawrence County.
Last year, we reported on problems surrounding a lawsuit settlement involving 3M and more than 1,000 people in Lawrence and Morgan counties. News 19 learned scores of people who signed up for the lawsuit did not receive settlement payments. That award-winning reporting found attorneys representing the people would not respond to their calls, multiple requests for an interview, or answer questions about what happened.
News 19 Chief Investigative Reporter Brian Lawson joins us. Brian, you've learned about a major development in this case.
That's right. The folks you mentioned who didn't get payments were represented by the law firm Stewart & Stewart out of Anniston. The Alabama Bar Association tells us attorney Taylor Stewart, who handled much of this 3M lawsuit, has been banned from practicing law. Now, numerous people told News 19 that once settlement checks started going out a couple of years back, they didn't receive any money, even though they'd signed up and consented to be represented by the Stewart firm. Repeated efforts to get answers failed, from phone calls to office visits, even small claims lawsuits against Taylor Stewart, they all went unanswered. After years without any response, we reported more than 150 residents eventually filed complaints to the Alabama Bar starting last summer, and those complaints led to an investigation. News 19 contacted the Bar Association this week regarding that investigation into Stewart. The bar said it investigated the case, and that led to him losing his license to practice law, saying, "We received a number of complaints against Mr. Stewart that contained allegations consistent with your reporting. As in any ethics matter, when we get allegations of misconduct, we ask the accused attorney to respond and to provide his or her side of the story." Mr. Stewart initially told us that he'd filed a response to the allegations with our office. When we did not receive them, we asked him to submit the response to the allegations again. We never received a response from him concerning the allegations against him. Now, the Alabama Bar said Taylor Stewart was disbarred in March after failing to respond to those questions and providing false information. The bar said Stewart didn't initially respond, but they eventually received a reply from his father and law partner who denied any wrongdoing. But the bar discovered the father had never replied. It was actually Taylor Stewart using his father's name. Today, the bar told News 19 people with complaints about a disbarred attorney can file malpractice lawsuits or seek compensation from a bar committee. We've got more about this on our website, WHNT.com.